Hey y'all, it's your friend Jamie. Winter has come to Smith Creek. It's cold, it's freezing cold, it's gloomy, the wind's blowing, the ice pellets are falling, and the birds are dining. It is such a beautiful sight to watch all these birds. We've been counting the cardinals, we've been counting the orioles, we've been counting the bluebirds, the blue jays, and all the other little birds that I don't even know what they are. But they are so beautiful and they are getting so fat. And while the birds get fat and happy, we're going to make some hot chocolate. So I put a little bit of vanilla in this water and let it start to steam. Woo! And we're going to add some milk because they complain if we don't put milk, or at least put a little bit of heavy cream in it. Now I like to use, regular vitamin D milk and Swiss Miss sugar-free. My husband, I said, well, we need to get some chocolate mix. And he's like, but that's got sugar-free written on it. I was like, baby, this is what you always drink. Now, this is where the debate gets real serious. Do you like marshmallows in your hot cocoa? I like a little bit of marshmallows, just the little tiny ones, My husband, he doesn't like any. What do you prefer? You a marshmallow, a no marshmallow? I don't care, just give me some hot chocolate kind of girl, boy, whatever you be. Ooh, look at that steamy cup of joy right there. Now my honey, he is trying so hard to get this fire started. It took him quite a bit. Now, in his defense, even though he had good fire starter, our wood was just not quality wood. We just moved here. We bought some wood. I kind of got a raw end of that deal on that. But, God is going to bless him. I'm not going to wish him evil. I'm going to wish him good. I'm going to wish that God will prosper him to the point that he does not have to swindle people with, firewood when it's cold. God bless him. Oh, his honey, his little white dog is Jersey. She's a stray we found. She's about 8 months old. She does not leave his side for nothing. She stays with her daddy. Now, we have 5 dogs, and with it being real cold, we bring them in the house. They usually stay outside and play. Oh, Mr. Mossberg. He's up there on my counter. That irks me. I have to whoop his honey. These are our spring plantings we brought in. We didn't want them to die. And we are about to have a chili buffet, I guess you'd say. We've got homemade taco soup. I made about 2 or 3 of these containers worth. And we've got cheese, and we've got Fritos, and we've got a guacamole salsa, and we've got regular salsa, and we've got some sour cream. Oh my goodness, it's about to get good up in here. Taco soup with Frito pie and hot chocolate. Yeah. Yet more of my plants I had to bring in. What is this man doing? I just fed him. He cannot be hungry. Woo! Kenneth Don. How's them birds looking, boy? The kids just lounged around the house today. We did a little crochet and a little movie watching, a little game playing, a little puzzle making. Kenneth has us doing a little family project. Our local radio station has us making Valentine cards for hospitals and nursing homes. Okay, so here we are on day 2 of the big freezing. It's only been in the 20s today. It was in the 20s last night. There's ice all over the place. A little bit of snow. It was so pretty watching it snow. I wish it had piled up, a mile high, but it didn't happen. I've been letting the dogs in and out all day because we don't want them out in the cold. They really loved it when they get out there, and then they get out there and they're like, it's cold, I want to come in. We have learned a few things about our space since we've all lived in it together. I've decided I love having this big brown chair in front of the fireplace. It is so nice. But it belongs in the living room. It's our living room seating. So I need to get, I think, matching chairs, 2 chairs to put right here. That'd be so nice. You get to sit here and talk to whoever's cooking or whatever. Kenny has decided that we need bar stools. Well, I already decided that we needed bar stools. I just didn't tell him that. So I've been looking for some on Facebook Marketplace. I think I found a pair. They come with tables. I'll just resell the tables or scrap the tables. I don't know. We've got a whole kitchen to clean. We've got this whole table to clean off over here. We've got dishes to put away out of the dishwasher. Our living room looks okay. It's just covered in dogs. There's dogs everywhere. You look, you got a dog. There's a dog, another dog. 3 of them are big dogs. 2 itty bitty dogs. I don't know where one of the cats is. We've got 1 cat here, licking everything. We just got a lot going on, and we've been so lazy the last couple of days. So we're gonna pull it back together tonight and make some supper and clean up. Everybody clean up, to quote Barney. Now, while I'm doing all the cleaning up here, our dear sweet Evie is making her specialty, and that is spaghetti. She makes the best spaghetti I think I've ever had. I mean, y'all can take or leave pasta, whatever, but when she makes it, I want to eat it. It's so good, so good. I think the secret's in the sauce, really, truly. Now, while we're making spaghetti and cleaning up and doing things, we're also waiting for our Kenny to get home because he had to work on this day. And he worked, I think, 2 hours after he was supposed to get off. And we knew he'd be dog tired. We did. And so I wanted to make a special salad for him because he loves spinach salad. Our hard-working feller, he finally got home, got him another cup of cocoa, sat beside the fire, got all toasty warm. And who doesn't love cuddling a good cat before they go off to sleep? Well, it's the next morning. The sun is up, the birds are chirping, and it's time for dogs to go outside. But I wanted to leave you with pictures of our little project. And I wanted to encourage you to do the same in your own neighborhood. If you have shut-ins or nursing homes or a kids' hospital, you and your family could make some Valentine cards for them too, to let them know that Jesus loves them and cares for them. And we care about y'all too. Well, I reckon we'll see y'all in a couple of days. Remember, it's your friend Jamie. Don't forget to subscribe, ding that notification bell, and don't forget to give a little love tap to that like button. See you in a couple days.